morning everyone. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. Yesterday I found out that you can't be a YouTuber and run a business from the same phone. So today we have a GoPro and we're going to see if I can get a bit better footage from that, because I'm struggling to get the videos in between when people are ringing me. So I'm going to try it from the GoPro today, and I'm going to see how the videos look. I don't know whether you can see me in this, whether you can't see me in this, and it also means we'll have to face the challenge of learn to edit on the laptop. But I think GoPro might be the way to go. I'm just gonna have to figure out how to do it, where to hold it, because obviously I can't see myself on the GoPro. So this morning again we're on measuring again. At this time of year there'll be a lot of glass being done, so I spend a lot of time measuring. So the first one is in town for a company we do a lot of work for, balcony glass. I'll definitely be able to record that, and then we'll see where we go from then on. So I'm just trying this one to see how it looks. This is another video of, we're on the way into the first job now. As I said, I'm just trying to get used to the GoPro now. I only got comfortable with the phone and now I'm getting used to the GoPro, so I'm not too sure what you can see again. But to be honest, I think this should have been the way that I went videoing at the start, because it seems to be much easier. So we'll bring you along and see how we go. Okay, so here's what we're doing in this place. I'll show you now. So we're going to replace that unit of glass up there. With new unit of glass. So we'll go upstairs now, we'll meet the tenants and we will measure up. Not stopping the door from breaking and closing, we don't want another job. What we'll do is we'll knock for the tenant now, and then I'll set you up somewhere and we'll get a look at measuring. Okay, so what we're doing here is that unit of glass has to be replaced, but we'll take the measurements off this one because this is already in place, and then we'll draw it onto the system. So first what we have to do is we'll double check the sizes between points. What I might do is I might stick this onto here. Okay, so what we realised there is the GoPro isn't all that great at sticking to shit, like balconies. So this is broke up and shit now, so we won't be trying that one again. But anyway, the glass is measured. So unfortunately I was going to show you how it was measured, but instead we went for a tumble. Yeah, so instead we went for a tumble. So we'll show you how we measure on the next one, but we'll definitely get that one when we're fitting it. We'll definitely get the video of that one, and I hope the GoPro was still recording when it fell. The GoPro looks GoPro looks okay, few marks and scratches. The holder doesn't look so good. Now, so back in the van here now. It was a bit of a walk away because of the parking situation in town. We've had to push this old mirror out. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to head up to Rathmines to the next job, and I will stick you on a time lapse till we get there. So we're on the next one here now. So what we'll do is excuse me, we'll set you up here and you should be able to see everything. Right.
They will. So as you can see, yeah, this is our issue. We're not sure. It doesn't look like it's broken from the outside. It looks like it's an internal thing.
It's an internal thing.
Yeah. So I don't know if it was the tightness of the door that caused it to pop, or
it could be, or could be. Do the dogs ever jump up in it?
No, sorry, it was like that before we moved in.
Like that before you moved in. Could have been something fell against it. It looks like, as opposed to the tightness of the door, looks like a centre point.
Okay.
Where it broke, you see here in the centre, the way everything's coming from here. So if that broke at the side or the side, it would generally cause a D shape or something like that, or crack maybe up to the corner. But they generally wouldn't work into the middle and then spread out. So that's what leads me to think something hit against the middle of it.
Alright, okay.
If you know what I mean.
They were doing building work and all sorts of stuff, so I don't know.
Yeah, they probably just. Do you still want the clear border around the depth?
Ideally, yeah. I mean, I think when we were getting people to measure it up before, like they basically said it was difficult to match the front of view or whatever. But if that's problematic, then like, geez, we just look to get the same again, the other one.
You can do the. They're actually two different sizes.
Oh, sorry, I'm there standing in the way of your camera.
I know you're alright. You're alright. You're